Good evening. Good evening, basketball fans. This is the third game of NXT Mamba Cup Season 1, Week 4. House of Borders going up against Syracuse this evening. The first possession goes with the orange jersey and a steal for the black shirts, and they will convert. He gets the first point of this ball game. An early run for the House of Ballers. Number 7 spins high off that layup. Still, Syracuse loses the ball and will turn that ball over. Seven players only for the orange shirts. And 9 players for the House of Ballers.
Ang konti mga players ngayon ah.
Pulls the trigger beyond the arc. No. House of Ballers running. Behind the back. No go. Offensive rebound. Goes inside, kicks it out. Top behind, and that will go to his teammates for that second chance opportunity.
Hindi ka lang naglalaro eh.
10-2, we have an advantage points for the House of Ballers earlier because of the lack of players for the orange teams. And I will correct myself. Earlier, House of Ballers have 10 players in this evening.
Kasi udol mo.
And that's good for number 38. Lance, ano score? There's a whistle on the way up. Hindi kasi ito nakapuntos eh, tapos parang dito nadagdag. Kulang ang player sa Syracuse. Sweet! That's good on Miranda. Hitting the triple. Pass inside, fakes. No go, but there's a putback for number 7. Cross-court pass. This is the jump shot. Number 7 goes all the way. Misses that one, but the ball will go to the Syracuse.
Ano lang yun eh. Parang support lang na referee. Alam mo yun?
And a top ring for number 2. High in the sky. There's a push on Morales. Martinez using the glass, too strong. Here comes number 13 at Apicam. There's a whistle on the attack. Yeah. Ay, contract call. Oo nga. First shot, good. For Basco. Two for two. Martinez. High off, no go. Outlet pass on Morales. That's too strong and cannot handle the ball. Coach! Coach! Saan na po ang lineup? Please. Wala. Mandatory change 5. Our score 99. 10-point lead for House of Ballers. Nag-team reveal ba? Polo G swings it. Number 10 high over. Second opportunity and dudulas ang bola doon sa last play na yon. Number 13 using the glass. Number 12 pulls the trigger, no go. Here comes Basco. Secures the rebound. Chongson to the cutting. Basco. That's good. With the sidestep beauty. The lead is down to 6. 19-13. Syracuse is working here late in the first quarter to close the gap. Here they are. Corpus. Side step. And one. Strong move right there. Para iwanan ng defender. To take a look at once again. Basket and one. A chance to cut the lead to 3. And there you go. 19-16, 3-point lead, House of Ballers. 3 minutes, 40 seconds remaining here in the first quarter. Pumipig. To Polo. Polo. Kicks it out. One more pass for the House of Ballers and that's good. Ball rotation for the House of Ballers is doing well here in the first. Baseline jumper, no go. Back to back short, now go and the put back, that's good.
Antay mo mawala yung blinking.
Here comes again the ball rotation of the House of Ballers. And when they will miss that one, here comes Basco. Basco. 4 defenders. Takes it out to Chongson. Back to Basco. And there's a whistle.
Parang may nagkanya. Dagdagan na ng gulay. Pero hindi sa kasi. Tandaan lang yung budget nila. Kaso yun, sa akin ng mga 70 or more. Mahal talaga, mahal ka. Maabot ng 80 minsan. Tipid yung ano eh. Ay na, alis ka naman yung 40 may maglalaro.
Three! That's good for Chongson.
Tabab. Absent.
24-22. Only 2-point lead. Umipig. Trying to answer, no go. Turpo swings it. Basco. Chongson will miss that one. Basco, strong move.
Tira ng parang si Kusi. Tangina may bomba. Di ba? Hindi nagpapakita ng suso. Di ba? Di ba? Oblak yun. Grabe talaga. Sa live. All 27.
That's it for our first quarter. Our score 27 all. We are tied here in this ball game. We will be right back for the second quarter. And we are back for the second quarter. There's the triple. Rebolado hangs in the air. That's good. Grabe lumipad si Rebolado. Pull sa trigger, no go. Ito na naman ang House of Ballers. Pero ihinto dito. Jumper. Missing, and there's a putback for Miranda. Second chance opportunity for the House of Ballers. Morales swings it to the side. Pass to the middle. Extra pass to the open man. Basco misses. Morales fades. Short. Third opportunity. Worker Puss not giving up on that possession. Boris missing that wide open jumper. The number 38 misses that one. That's an offensive foul for Manawag. A push on the defender. Ball rotation for the Syracuse. Corpus to Morales. Handoff, Chongson. Back to Morales. Turnover. And he thought nakakampi niya yung nauna doon. And transition 3, no go. 2-on-1 fast break. Fakes, bounce, pass. Hindi na tatanong doon. Si Rebolado. Steal. 3-on-1. Martinez behind the back. Titing Manalili. Dalawang Titing Manalili ang nagpasahan doon sa play na yon. Let's take a look at that one more time. A steal by Rebolado and Martinez with the behind the back pass. Ginaya yon ni Rebolado for that extra pass. Timeout tayo. Magbabalik after this short break. And we are back, 35-29, 7 minutes here in the second quarter. Six-point lead for the Black Shirts. Rebolado pulls the trigger, no good. Basco pushing the leather, crossover, bombs. Using the glass, and that's no go, but there's a whistle on the attack. And Basco will go on the line, shooting two.
Bacato. J. Alfonso. Besa pala, J. Besa.
Martinez directing traffic. Pass to the wing. Back to Martinez. 13 seconds to work. Attacks. There's a whistle on the attack.
Parang supervisor, lakad ka ng lakad.
And Martinez will go to the line
Hindi nga
for
mamaya.
2.
Tayo na tamig tarap yan. Asa, hindi na pala
It's the
sila.
first.
Pagka-pop, walang bad burn.
Back to 6-point lead. 6 minutes, 13 seconds remaining. Morales swings it. Right wing. No go. Manawag. Martinez. What a move on that one. Spins using the left hand and offensive foul will be called on Corpus on that attack, extending the hand. 39-31. No good. Corpus. 2-on-1 break. No go. Hindi makuha ni Corpus ang kanyang rhythm ngayong gabing ito. And a Pinoy step on that block. Counter attack. Chongson. Side step using the left hand. What a move for Chongson. Challenging the defense of Martinez. And Manawag. Block. 4-on-2. Corpus lilipad. And that's good. Let's take a look at that one more time. Forward pass to Corpus and laying off that in to cut the lead by 4, 39-35. Mandatory substitution for both teams. Under 5 minutes left here in the first half. Umipig back in the ball game. Nowhere to go. She's open. You can take it. Umipig. No go. Kaya pala nag-aalangan siya doon. Hindi niya ma-feel ang kanyang shooting touch. That's why he want his teammates to take it. And there you go, Basco. Ganun ang tumira ng open. Sabi ni Basco, huwag kang mahihiya. And umipig, kicks it out. Too strong. Second chance opportunity, Polo. To umipig. Sige na nga, ititira ko na. Wala pa rin. Basco securing that rebound. Cross-court pass, Corpus. Middle, jumper, short. Eh, sino pa nga bang makikita mo to clean that up? Si Basco. And napaganda pa doon ang outlet pass ng House of Ballers. Corpus will try again. There's a whistle on that sidestep. Corpus going on the line, shooting 2. Umipig. Hindi pa rin makakonect si Umipig. Pero binibigyan pa rin siya ng chance na kanyang gwardiya. And Tanael will be fouled on that attack and will go to the line to shoot free throws. 1-4-2 para kay Tanael. And that's good. Number 2 signaling a play. One dribble pull up, no go. Bounce pass, extra pass for follow, too strong on that one. Yeah. Anong pangalan ng number 2? Sa orange. Baka babasa mo. Basco, inside. In and out. Gets its own miss and a putback. Wala pa rin.
Pasko yata.
Ito. Ayun yung Basco. Ayun yung
Pasko rin yata eh.
natapikan. Pero mako-convert ni Ubando.
Hudson.
Yan natin, yung sigurado. Bago ko banggitin. And a battle for the ball. Ball will stay for Syracuse. Alarte swings it. Back to Alarte. To the open man. Right wing triple. No good. Buison yun. And Pology with that Dukot layup. And timeout will be called for the Syracuse. 48-40. We will be back after this timeout. We are back in the ball game. Alarte. Strong move. Left hook shot. We are back on the 19s. With that baby hook shot. Umipig. Swings it. Polo. Attacks. Behind the back pass. What a play for Polo G. Let's take a look at that one more time. Number 10 attacking. And there's the cutting teammate inside. Nakita niya pa yon. That's Polo G, ladies and gentlemen, your point guard for the House of Ballers. And another hook shot for Alarte. Si Alarte ngayon na nakikipaglaban para sa Syracuse. Polo, again, swings it. Obando, to Umipig. Wala pa rin yan. Here comes Corpus. Pass to Alarte, one bump. Hook shot. Basket yun para kay Alarte, pero meron tinuhog ang ating referee. Ref.
Rep. Polo G.
And there's a technical foul for Polo G for faking a foul. The basket will count and the free throw has been awarded, but the miss and possession now goes to the House of Ballers. And that two-point shot is good for Tanael. Corpus taking three. Cross-court pass. Buison wide open. No go. And that's it for our first half. 52-46. 6-point lead for the House of Ballers. We will be right back for the second half. And we are back for the third quarter. Martinez, maagang bitaw doon. Pero magmimintis. Buison hesitates. Alarte. Fadeaway jumper miss. Martinez, alley-oop. Binigay sa labas. Manawag. To Martinez. And there's a whistle. Morales. To Alarte. Buison. Short. Martinez nagmamadali. Kicks it out. Rebolado. Wide open. Short. Tumalikod na siya. Akala niya pasok na yun. Steph Curry like 3 points. Pero sasablay. Alarte. Kicks it up. Buison. There's a whistle. Baseline inbound. Basco. Buison looking on the clock. What? A pass, bullet pass. Brought to us by Kimby Kimchi, pass of the game. Buison. I want to see that one more time. Buison, nakita sa ilalim. Si Alarte, lusot na lusot ang pasa doon. $55-48. Johnson, pasa sa loob pero mabibitawan. Ball will remain para sa Syracuse. Morales. Buison, lilipad. That's good. Martinez now, signaling traffic. Walang mapapasahan. Tumanawag. Left wing. Rebolado. Extra pass, short. Another possession. Using the glass and one. Let's take a look at that one more time. Rebolado getting that extra possession. Pass to Tanael with that 2-point conversion, and now completes the 3-point play. 58-50, 8-point lead for the Blackshirts. Buison, Corpus, swing, Alarte, short. Ito na naman ang House of Bowlers. Alley-oop! What a play for the House of Bowlers. And Buison answers back with that triple. Hindi kami papayag, sabi ng Syracuse, na iwan mo kami dito sa third quarter. We will fight this one. And look at that, they're extending their defense outside. They want to go back to this ball game, but that no-look pass for Manawag, hindi mako-conversion. And here comes Buison. Hindi may ko-convert ang atake na yon. Wala pa rin para kay Corpus. Rebolado. Pinoy step. Grabe si Rebolado. Making it all for the House of Bowlers. And let's take a look at that one more time. Rebolado giving that pass para makakuha ng alley-oop on that play. Chongson. No good. Corpus with that offensive rebound. Masyadong mahaba si Corpus doon. At kailangan i-backs out ng House of Bowlers. Martinez hesitates. Attacks, kicks it out. Back to Martinez on the other side. Manawag. Short. 3-on-2 fast break. Morales. Binigay sa labas. Buison Churex. The lead is down to 4, 62-58. Mainit na si Buison dito sa ball game na to. Ang alam ko, late pa dumating itong player na to eh. Pero ngayon, mainit na kagad. Rebolado. Jumper on the middle, wala. Gets its own miss. Tumingin pa sa 3. Short. That's good. Chongson wide open. Muntik bang abutin ni Rebolado. Two-point lead na lang ang inahabol. And Martinez stops the bleeding. The lead is back to 5. Morales. Corner 3, no go. Eto na naman si Corpus. 2 Alarte. Wala. Third chance, wala pa rin. And Rebolado. 3 defenders up front. Kicks out to Martinez. Pero foul na ang itatawag lang natin referee dyan para kay Morales. And here comes the reinforcement for the House of Borders. 4 ang papalitan nila dito sa ball game na ito. Rather 5. 5 ang papalitan nila. Buison from the parking lot. And that's a hit check. Ito naman ang House of Borders. Short on Polo G. Pero ando doon si number 15 for that fullback. Miranda not giving up on that play. Shout out to my friend Joe Sagala. Ang aga mo para sa gabing ito. Lalaro ka pa sa 4th game. Buison. To Corpus. Up and under. There's a whistle. Basco back in the ball game. Jumper short. Miranda running the break. Obando lilipad short. And who else will get that rebound? Miranda, the tallest guy. Inside. Corpus. Second chance opportunity. Wala pa rin. Corpus pa rin. Let's see the play one more time. Corpus. The third serving is good. Basket and 1. And warning for the House of Borders for the improper bench decorum. And there's Corpus completing the 3-point play. Miranda attacks to Umipig, block. Miranda, right wing, no go. Corpus now. Goes all the way. That's good. Down to 4-point lead. 2 minutes remaining here in the third quarter. Extra pass to Umipig. Extra pass to Extra Rice. Basco to Chongson. Cross court. Boyson now. Waving. Hesitates. Pass inside. Corpus. And another offensive foul for Corpus, protecting that ball. Pero na-overextend. Polo G. What an assist. Another steal. Counter steal. Wala pa rin para kay Corpus. And here comes Polo G. No look pass. Deflected. And they will recover. Miranda, one-hander. Short. 1 minute remaining here in the third quarter. Buison. Steps back. Jumper short. Corpus. Trying to push off Umipig. Hindi mo matutulak yan Kailangan mo pang kumain ng maraming extra rice bago mo matulak yan si Umipig. Mga 10 extra rice siguro. And Corpus will go on the line. It's the first. Two for Corpus. 73-67. 6-point lead. Obando swings it. Polo. Pulls the trigger. No. Polo uses the screen. Swings it. Obando. Aatake to Miranda. 4 seconds to work. Dribble. For Miranda. No pressure. Buison. Let's take a look at that one more time. The shot clock is down to 4. Pero walang kabog-kabog kay Miranda. Hitting that dribble sa corner. One for two for Buison. Miranda. Sidestep. And that would do it. 76-68. 8-point lead for House of Boners. What a game you are witnessing, ladies and gentlemen. We will be right back for the final quarter. Fourth and final quarter. Buison. Short. And for those who are watching, this is the third game of NXT Mamba Cup Season 1 Week 4. House of Borders going up against Syracuse. Syracuse needed to win this ball game. Our official score 78-69. Miranda, corner triple, no go. Deflected. Buison uses the screen. An offensive foul will be called on Morales. Paulo G. Rebolado. Crossover. Jelly! What a move for Rebolado. Miranda. Yung dalawang tore ng House of Borders are working here in the fourth quarter. Polo. Up and under, short. Martinez, second chance opportunity. Wala pa rin. Alarte, atake. Pinasa. Basco. No go. Step back jumper. Rattles in. 82-71. 11-point lead for the Black Shirts. And there's Miranda. Attacking that baseline. Using the glass. Rebolado, sizing up the defense. Give and go. I want to see that replay for the Jelly. Let's take a look at that. Rebolado in and out, cross over, extending that hand for the right hand Jelly. 86-71. We will be back after this timeout. And we are back in the ball game. 15-point lead for the House of Bowlers. Syracuse need to do something here. Make a run here in the fourth quarter. 6 minutes, 37 seconds remaining. Buison, 100, no go. And ball will remain to Syracuse. Morales, corner triple, too strong. And there's Johnson, pero hindi pa rin mako-convert yung footback na yon. That's wide open. Wala pa rin yun. Corpus. Fakes. And a good play para kay Corpus. Waiting Miranda to jump to get that basket and one. And a chance for the 3-point play opportunity. And there you have it. 12-point lead for the Black Shirts. Polo G to Miranda. Kicks it out. Rebolado hesitates. One dribble, pull up short. And who gets the ball? Look at that hustle for Obando, losing his shoes on that dive. That's how you win a ball game. You hustle every time. And there's a dunk attempt for Rebolado, pero sasablay siya doon. Let's take a look at that one more time. Rebolado diving on that last play, losing his shoes. Take a free throw. Miranda hitting the first. Two for Miranda. A lot of time left here in the fourth quarter. Syracuse still have a chance for a run, and Morales missing that one, but there's Corpus to clean that up. Still a 12-point lead. Polo still recovers. Napaganda pa yung play na yon para sa House of Ballers. Buison to Corpus. Corpus, sidestep beauty. Lalabas pa rin. Medyo hindi maganda ang mga finish ni Corpus dito sa gabing ito. A lot of balls should have been converted. Rebolado kicks it out on the corner, no go. Obando, grabe talaga ang hustle ng batang to. Polo to Miranda with that play. Would like to commend this point guard Polo G, giving the big man a chance here in this ball game. Talagang ini-involve niya yung mga teammates niya at hinahanap niya yung mga open man dito para sa House of Ballers. That's Polo G, the point guard. And Ubando again giving the House of Ballers another possession, pero hindi nila mako-convert yun. Buison, sidestep. 92-78. 3 minutes, 40 seconds remaining. Martinez. Obando. Martinez pa rin na may tanga ng bola. Alley-oop play! Grabe talaga mga guardia nitong House of Ballers. (94-78), Rebolado. Back shot, no go. Outlet pass, Chongson. That's an easy one. And timeout will be called for the House of Ballers. 94-80, 14-point lead for the Black Shirts. We will be back after this timeout. We are back. 2 minutes, 56 seconds remaining here in the final quarter. Obando. Martinez. 7 seconds to work. Too strong on that one. Corpus. Puison, in and out. Corpus with that layup, 94-82, 12-point lead. And there you have it, the 2-minute mark for the final quarter. Turnover. Transition 3, that's good. Who is that man? Melaris. Melarpis rather. Fresh from the bench. Rebolado, burning some clock. Rebolado. That's a turnover. And we will stay on the air here in the ball game. 1 minute 22 seconds, 94-85. Just a 9-point lead for the Black Shirts. Still a lot of time left para sa Syracuse. Let's see what they will do. Binigay sa hot hand, that's good! Melarpis, the magic bunot for the Syracuse. Martinez now. Swing set, Rebolado. They are not fouling, they will defend. Rebolado uses the screen, attacks the middle, loses the ball. Puison pulls the trigger, short. They have the advantage. There are 3 players of Syracuse on that play. But Buison chooses to pull the trigger on that transition. $40 remaining. 15 on the shot clock. Rebolado. 10 seconds to work. Attacks the middle. Nabitawan ng bola. Polo G goes all the way. Buison. Layup. That's good. And they will try their luck on the free throw line. We'll wait for the House of Ballers to miss and make a shot. 18 seconds left. If you will do the math, feeling mo, Joe Sagala, makakahabol pa ba ang Syracuse dito?
Kailangan nila si Reggie Miller, pre.
They needed Reggie Miller. Ang sabi ni Joe Sagala. $97-90. Timeout. Syracuse. Mag-i-stay na tayo dito sa line. At tatapusin na natin ang last 18 seconds ng ball game na ito. And for the viewers watching sa mga kanilang mga tahanan, ang next game po natin ay That Stuff going up against the Green Hornets. Both teams are undefeated. Isa sa kanila ngayong gabi ang matatarakan at uuwing may talo on this week 4. And this is 18 seconds of this third game. Melarpis. That's good! Mainit pa rin si Magic Bunot. Let's take a look at that one more time. Pinasa sa gilid. Step back. Melarpis. That's good. Martinez on the line. Misses the first. These players are tested in these moments like this. A crucial free throw. Missing the ball, but there's no backs out there for the Syracuse. Oh no. Polo G realizing that no backs out are being deployed there on the orange shirts. And Rebolado missing the first. Secures the second. Buison running. 5 on the clock. Chongson still have a ball game. 98-96. 2 seconds remaining. Let's take a look at that one more time. Buison, defender on the back, swings it. Chongson. Syracuse is not giving up a crucial free throw for Tanael. It's the first one possession ball game. 2 seconds on the clock. Miss. Corpus, 1 dribble. Our final score, 99 to 96. House of Ballers will take this one. Stay tuned, folks. We will be back for the final game.